Let's talk about MEM design pattern in SwiftUI. Let's talk about MEM design pattern in SwiftUI. So firstly, we will discuss about MEM. First of all, we will discuss about MEM design pattern in SwiftUI. So it's based three rules of MEM design pattern. First rule is model, model view and view model. Three type of define three part on this MEM design pattern: model, view and view model. So what is model? First question is what is model? Hold your app data. They are usually structured and simple classes. Hold your data. Hold your app data. They are usually structured and simple classes. So suppose then we are going to create a model. Swift file. This is a model. Create on this model. So we can create on this structure model, which is type of identifiable requirement of this id. Suppose var name, which is type of string, and var id, which is type of string uuid dot uuid string. Define on this. So then create on this model. So what is model? Hold your app data. They are usually structure and simple classes. Structure and simple classes. We can complete on this model. We can say complete on this model. Command and we're gonna create on this. Sorry. We can next step is view model is three parties. First is model and second is view model. Sorry, second is view. So what is second is view model, and so we can create this view model, view and view model. We can create the view model. View model. View model. We're gonna create on this view model. So we're gonna create on this class view model, which is type of observable object. Observable object. We can define on this last tutorial observable object, and so this is a published property. That published var. So published var view model, which is type of array of model, and you can initialize default empty initialize. We're going to create on this initializer. Suppose initializers view model, and this is the array of view model. So view model dot view model, self dot view model is equal to view model. This initializer is empty. We cannot initialize on this empty initializers. Command S, and we can use of view model. So what is view model? Transform model information into value. Transform model information. This is a model information. Transform model information into values that can be displayed on a view. Displayed on a view. They are usually classes, so they can be passed around as a reference. So they can around as a pass on this. We can complete on this model. We can create on this SwiftUI view. This is a use MVVM view. Use MVVM view. Create on this. So we can accessibility on this. Accessibility which have suppose on this. Accessibility on this observable object. At the rate wrapper on this observable object. Observed object. VM, which is type of view model, and equal to view model. We can create on this test data. Suppose we can create on this test data model. Suppose we can create on this test data. We're gonna create on this test data. We're gonna create on this test data h if condition. This is the debug condition, and var test data model. This is a which is the test data model, and equal to array of model. So this is the first name is Swift UI, and second is model. We can accessibility on this name model. This is the UI kit. This is the interface. This is the framework in Apple. This is the framework in iOS. The model. So name. This is the name of core location. Core location framework, and we can use of model. So this is the name of add on this core data. We can complete on this, and we can use of hatch and if condition, and if we can complete on this test data, assign on this view, complete on this test data. So this is the model and view. So what is view? First of all question is we will discuss about view. So what is view? Display visual element and control on the screen. Display visual element, control on the screen. They are typically subclass of view. Subclass of view. So display visual element and control on the screen, they are typically subclass of view. So we can use of observable view model is equal to, suppose, view model, and this is a view model, array of model. This is the test data, create on this test data model. Create on this test data model, complete on this. You not assign on this initial value is test data model. We can use of list. We're gonna create on this list. So firstly we will discuss about Swift UI. Swift UI is a declarative state driven framework. We cannot reference any view in the hierarchy. Neither can we directly mutate a view as a reaction to an event. Instead, we mutate that state bound to view, delegate, target, action, respondent, chain, KVO. The entire job callback technique have been replaced with closure and binding. This is a binding concept of observable object, and this is model of this is the observable object. This is the binding concept, published war binding concept. So Swift UI is state driven framework. We cannot actually reference any view in the hierarchy. Neither can we directly mutate a view, a reaction on an event. Instead, we mutate the state bound to the view, delegate, target, action, response, chain, KVO. The entire of two callback technique have been replaced with closure and binding. Every view in Swift UI is a structure. That can be created many times faster than analog UI views descendant. So that structure keeps reference to the state that it feeds to the function body of the UI, and we can use it. So MEM is the new standard architecture. MEM, this is model, view, and view model. So MEM is the new standard architecture. Swift UI comes with MEM built-in. So in the simplest case, where the view does not really an external state, it's local state. Property. Variable take the role of view model, providing subscription mechanism binding. View model providing the subscription mechanism binding for the reflection UI whenever the state change. We can change on this model, change on this state, and we can set on this UI. For more complex scenarios, view reference external observable object, which in this can be instead view model. This is the observable object we can confirm on this view model. One way or another, the way Swift UI view works, the state very much resembles the classical MEM in MVVM. Okay, MEM. So let's go consider one quick example on this MEM. We can create on this, suppose, navigation view, and we're gonna create on this list. So this is a section. We're gonna create on this for each loop. Suppose this VM dot view model, and we're gonna create on this bind on this project. So item in, we're gonna create a show in this text. Suppose we're gonna show in this text. So resume on this view. So text, suppose this is the text binding on this item dot name, bind on this item dot name. We can try again, run on this UI. This is a refresh on this UI. Shift UI, core data, core location, and core data. We can for accessible on this element. Suppose this we're gonna apply this list dot navigation bar title. Swift UI MVVM. Swift UI MVVM. This is a Swift UI MVVM. So this is the Swift UI MVVM navigation bar title. We can Swift UI MVVM. This is a list on create on the Swift UI MVVM. Not running state on this view Swift UI MVVM. So this is a binding concept on this Swift UI. So we can suppose view conference external observable object which is and not Swift UI MVVM build. In the simplest case, view does not extend state, local state, and rule of view mode. Provided subscription binding on this refreshing UI. Suppose we can change on this view, change on this model, sorry view model. So not create on this view model test data, and commands we can create on this test data model. Command shift K model. So we can add on this suppose model and add on this property. This is a AV foundation. And we can create another framework is model. So this is a SwiftUI UI kit core location core data AV foundation. Suppose we can another framework is we can accessibility on this Swift. We can set on this another model. We can use of model. So this is a name on this, add on this developer. We can set on this string model. This is a sorry we can add on this model name which shows suppose name is model, and we can set on this name suppose hello. We can add on this command as we can automatically resume on this app, and we can change on this UI, change on this model, and you can refresh on this UI. Swift UI code location code data new foundation shared developer. We can add on this Swift UI MEM. So this is a providing the subscription mechanism binding for refreshing the UI whatever the state change. This is the observable object which is state change on this state change. And only the way SwiftUI view work the state very much resembles classic MVVM. Okay, we can use of MEM design pattern by using SwiftUI. So what is suppose we can use of, we are discussing on this view model. So this is a view model, this is a model. And what is model? Hold your app data. They are usually structure and classes. We can create on this test data. We're gonna create on this test data. So view model. And what is view model? Transform model information into value that can be displayed on a view. They are usually classes, so they can be passed around as a reference. This is a view model. Transfer information of model. Jump to description of this model. We can transfer on this view information view model, which type of array text model observable object. This is a binding concept. And view display visual element and control on the screen. Display visual element and control on this screen. Display visual element control on the screen. They are typically subclass of view and another. So we can add on this. Suppose this is add on this property for each, and we're gonna text property. We can add on this text. Suppose font, we're gonna apply this font title, and we can title weight. This is a heavy, and we can set on this title color. Suppose this is a suppose title. So this we can assign on this color. Suppose yellow color. and we can change on this purple color. Suppose we can use of purple color. This is a Swift UI. We can resume Swift UI MVVM design pattern. So we can check on this methods and classification. So everything changed, conceptually change UI kit to Swift UI. Swift UI is a declarative state framework. We cannot reference any view in the hierarchy. Neither can we directly mutate as a view as a reaction to event. Instead, we mutate the state bound to the view. Delegate, target, action, responder, and chain KView have been replaced with the closure and binding. This is a binding concept. Have been replaced closure and binding. Binding, and we can use of closure. This is a text in closure, and this is a use of closure. For each loop use of closure, and we can check. So thank you for watching video. We can use of MEM design pattern by using Swift UI.